Hey everybody, I have 5 younger brothers and they are all awesome. The other day, my brother Phil called and said he found a discarded desk that he thought would be perfect for one of my videos. A few days later, I had it in my studio and ready to give it a new life with the help of my friends at Surebonder and Redesign with Prima. So today, we're making over a beautiful vintage desk. Now usually, I give away my makeovers after I'm finished with them, but I think I'm keeping this one. Are you ready? Let's get making. From the mid-14th century, the origin of the word desk is rooted in the modern Latin word desca, which translates to table to write on. The word desk has been used figuratively since 1797. Decals were invented by Simon Francois Ravenet, an engraver from France who later moved to England and perfected the process he called décalcaire, which means to copy by tracing. It became widespread during the decal craze or mania of the late 19th century. Hot glue may have been invented around 1940 by Procter & Gamble as a solution to water-based adhesives which were commonly used in packaging. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the original Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.